Hey guys, welcome back to Nat's Creations. Today I'm bringing you to day 3 of my art world tour. So I'm going to be picking from the Americas, shuffled them up, and I'm ready to choose. Okay, I have Greenland for today. I'm going to go do some looking up on Greenland and see what I can find. So guys, I did some research on Greenland and found out that wolves are pretty common there. So I am going to go ahead and make a howling wolf scene in acrylic. This is gonna be super easy. It's basically gonna be a wolf howling with a big moon in the back and a blue-ish dark sky. So it's gonna be pretty cool. All we need is the acrylic paints that I showed you earlier, and then a pencil and eraser, canvas, and then some paintbrushes, of course. So let's get started by drawing the outline. It's also standing on a rock ledge. Actually, I'm gonna make the rock ledge first. So it's gonna go just like that. Now we're gonna do the wolf. Okay guys, so I kind of took the time to make it look a little better, but this is what I have so far. It doesn't need to look perfect, especially at this point. Now I'm going to get started by doing the background, I think. Actually, I'm going to get started by doing the moon. Okay, I'm just gonna eyeball this. Like that. And now I'm going to start filling in the moon. So it's going to be kind of a mixture of about 3 colors, mainly normal white, and then I'm going to have a grayish color, and then maybe a little bit of this color. So I'm just going to be mixing for a little bit. Okay, so I made my color. It looks like this. See it over there? And I'm going to start just kind of going throughout the moon, kind of making it. Okay, once you're done spreading that around a little, I'm going to do a little bit of white. So I don't know if you can see it all too well, but it's looking pretty good for a moon right now. So I'm going to take a different paintbrush and put a little bit of blue in there. Take this paintbrush and do a mixture of these two. Gonna put a little more white in it though, so it's like super duper light. So it's just super light, and you can kind of dab that in there a little. So it's kind of like an abstract moon. So it's looking pretty good so far. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a bigger brush and go into the black and start doing the rock. Can't go back on black, so you gotta be really careful with this stuff. Okay, the rock's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to transition over to the wolf part. This is definitely gonna have to take some skill. You gotta be really careful with this too. Too much will be too much. So I'm also gonna take a smaller brush so I can get the edges clean. Whoa. I think there was a little much. Okay guys, I'm now done with the wolf. Probably the most stressful part. So now I'm on to the sky. It's basically going to be a lot of blue and lighter blue by the moon, and then darker blue by the edge. Okay, I'm actually going to start off with my light blue. This is basically just going to be a ring around the moon. It is really light blue. Okay, now that I'm done with that, just kind of on the edge going super light. Okay, now I'm going to go into my darker blue again. Okay, once you're done with that, I think we're pretty much done. Thanks so much for watching Nat's Creations. This was day 3 of my Art World Tour. This was Greenland, so thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comment down below. Okay, so I'm going to mark this down as Greenland on the back. So you can go ahead and follow along with me. You can even write down day 3 on your papers, just so you can remember. Have a great day.